Hello students, hope you are doing well. Bihar B.Ed Common Entrance Test, which is also known as Bihar B.Ed Set, is a state level entrance exam that is conducted every year for shortlisting the candidates for admission to 2 years B.Ed program at various colleges in Bihar state. If you are interested in appearing for Bihar B.Ed Set exam, then it is very important for you to fill the application form for the exam. Although it is also very important for you to have the complete information on Bihar B.Ed Set application form so that you don't make any mistakes while registering. Hence, in today's video, we'll cover all the important details pertaining to Bihar B.Ed Set application form, including dates, process, fees, documents and other details. Bihar B.Ed Set registration dates. The candidates can check the important dates for Bihar B.Ed Set by clicking on the link that is provided in the video description. Bihar B.Ed Set registration fee. The registration fee for Bihar B.Ed Set application form will be divided into different categories. For the general category, the application fee will be 1000 rupees. For BC, EBC, EWS, PWD and female candidates, the application fee will be 750 rupees. And for the SC/ST candidates, the application fee will be 500 rupees. Documents required to fill Bihar B.Ed Set application form. Please note that while filling the Bihar B.Ed Set application form, you will have to upload various documents in the prescribed format to complete your registration. The documents that you require to fill the Bihar B.Ed Set application form are scanned copy of the signature that should be in between 20 to 50 KB in size, recent passport size photograph that should be 20 to 50 KB in size, class 10th mark sheet and class 12th mark sheet. Now let us look at the various steps on how to fill Bihar B.Ed Set application form. The very first step is the registration, for which you have to click on the direct link available in the video description, or you can visit the official website of Bihar B.Ed Set. Then you will have to click on the option that indicates registration for new user account. Further, you have to enter your full name, applying for, that is the course you are applying for, your email address and mobile number to register on the portal. After entering all the details, click on sign up. You will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number or the email address. Further, you have to enter your OTP to confirm your registration. The second step is form filling, in which you have to fill all the educational and personal and other details in the form. Also, make sure that you enter all the details correctly and do not forget to cross-check the details once you are done. The third step is to upload the image. In this step, you will need to upload the scanned image of passport size photograph and signature. The size of the images should be in between 20 KB to 50 KB as we have discussed already. The signature should be preferably in the black ink. The fourth step is to pay for the application fee. In this step, the candidates need to pay the registration fee as specified by the examination authority. The fee can be paid by using different digital payment methods, that is credit card or debit card or internet banking facility. The last step in filling Bihar B.Ed Set application form is taking a printout of confirmation page as well as the application form. That means that after you have successfully paid the application fee and your application form has been submitted, you will receive a confirmation message on your screen, after which you can take out the printout of the application form along with that confirmation page for the future references. That's all for today. Thank you. We wish you all the very best for your Bihar B.Ed Set entrance exam. For more updates on B.Ed exams, stay tuned to College Dekho. Meanwhile, you can also check the related articles for Bihar B.Ed Set exam from the video description. Thank you.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.